Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw grapes. Grapes are small, round and very tasty fruit that grows on vine. They come in different colors like purple, green and red. Grapes are sweet and juicy, which make them perfect for snacks. They can be eaten fresh or grilled to make raisins, which are also yummy. Grapes have seed inside but sometimes do not, so they are easy to eat. They grow in branches like a little family of grapes hanging out together. Eating grapes is not only fun but healthy. They are full of vitamins and give you energy to play and have fun all the day. So next time you eat grapes, think about how they grow and the cool color they come in. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.